This next company wins the patent treasure chest amongst the group. It's a team of Cisco and Juniper execs that have literally 30 patents to their name, and this video will be introducing them.
At NTT Innovation Institute, our mission is to transform ideas into reality for over 900 operating companies within NTT Group. Having a flexible framework and a strong policy management system and enforcement system to rapidly deploy applications both at the edge as well as the cloud infrastructure was extremely important for us. Cognito Networks gave us this flexibility for us to rapidly innovate for our partners.
I've been working in the technology space known today as IoT for over 25 years, and I've seen a lot of early successes. But most of the solutions involve proprietary products and connectivity. It's hard to deploy and manage disparate products and technologies. Interoperability just plain stops deployment because installation and management costs destroy the ROI. So I was very excited when I saw Cognito Networks show up at the Alchemist. They have combined a patent-pending sensor virtualization and policy automation technologies to eliminate vendor lock-ins and break down silos. They are attacking the industrial IoT deployment problem at its root, interoperability. It's my pleasure to introduce Katur Nagesh, CEO of Cognito.
Thank you, Ravi. Good afternoon. The future of building automation is here. We make commercial buildings smart and save over 35% in their operational costs. We are gaining momentum. Customers like NTT love our capabilities. We have generated over 100K in revenue and have a healthy pipeline for the rest of the year. Building automation is an enormous market, going to over $100 billion by 2022. We are focused on the software and policy automation aspects of it, which will be around $11 billion. Despite the tremendous savings, why is the adoption a pathetically low 15%? The reason is incumbents such as Johnson Controls, Honeywell, and Schneider have been selling proprietary and expensive silos. Each application has its own sensors, controllers, gateways, I/O modules, and management consoles. The result? Extensive installation and maintenance costs, lack of interoperability, and a payback period that stretches to over 4 years. Unacceptable. In contrast, we shrink the payback period to under 18 months through 4 key methods: full interoperability, lower cost overall, and ability to simulate solutions before validating them and deploying and spending the money, and powerful automation. Now, the vision for a unified building automation system becomes a reality for the first time. Technically, we do it very gracefully. Embrace the old technologies like Modbus and BACnet, combine it with new protocols like Ethernet and LoRa and Wi-Fi, bring them to a virtualization layer, which by definition would make our solution vendor and protocol agnostic, and then we unleash a powerful automation. It can be deployed either at the edge with full automation, local decision, or at the cloud so that you get the best of both worlds. Here's an example of some of the unification of application and services we did for one of our customers. No silos, powerful interoperability. This puts us in a phenomenal position competitively against the incumbents who may do piecemeal very well, but don't provide interoperability, or point applications that may have low cost, but not really enterprise scale. NTT chose us for that reason, and we delivered an adaptive ventilation system for them. Our go-to-market is fundamentally partner-led with multiple sources of revenue, and we'll do this after we capture the best practices from the first 15 engagements. Professional services, technical support will complement a SaaS revenue and a software sale. None of this would have happened without a phenomenal team. Ajit, Raghu, and I have known one another for over 8 years, and we have technology expertise up and down the application stack. My team of advisors have worked in seminal companies that have transformed industrial controls, home automation, and enterprise applications. We are ready to redefine building automation and take it to where it ought to be. We invite you to join us in this journey and take the company to the next level. Thank you for your time.